just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accused? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so this wig was sent to me by a company I've never worked with before, and they are called Wigcool. I like the name, like I love anything with cool in it, like yes, okay. So with this wig, they actually sent it in like the format of my chapters. Love that. So you know, the installation process and all that. Now with the wig details, is real Swiss HD lace. It's 13x4 lace. It's 26 inches and it's 220% density, and obviously it is kinky curly, honey. She's giving the fro realness, okay girl. Now with this wig, as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit of tangling, a little bit of shedding. I expected both. It's a kinky curly wig. It's rare if I've ever experienced no shedding, no tangling from a kinky curly wig. Like, just think of your own hair, girl, okay? But it was nothing to write home about, so I want to throw that out there so you guys know, like, it wasn't a lot. If it was a lot, you guys wouldn't even be seeing this video, honey, okay? As far as big head friendliness with this wig, I feel like this wig fit me perfectly. I am not 100% sure of the sizes that it come in, but I feel like it fit me perfectly. I did have to cut, you know, some lace on the sides, but I feel like it fit me perfectly. Y'all can let me know what you think, but I feel like it did. But I am an average cap size, so girl, like I always tell y'all, do with that what you want to do with that, honey, okay? Do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, I also want to go ahead and talk about the fact that this unit did come pre-tweezed. It did come pre-bleached to perfection. Like, the Swiss lace is lacing, honey. I already told my husband, like, yes, lace, okay? The lace, they came through with the lace. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Y'all already know what my con is. Y'all know 13x4 is not my favorite. I am more of a closure girly or a 13x6 girly, okay? So my con is going to be the fact that it is a 13x4. Now, as far as my pros go, even though it's a 13x4, honey, this lace is lacing, girl. The lace is lacing. Like, I love it, and I really like for my kinky units to have a supernatural looking lace, because honey, folks be thinking this is my hair. And I love that for me, okay? So I really love that. I love that it came pre-bleached. I did not even have to add any extra you know, stuff to it. No wig powder, no mousse, nothing to change the color. Like, they did their thing with that. Yeah, those are my pros. Like, it was pre-tweezed, easy to style. Love all of that for me. So yeah, those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit, y'all. Like, I really love how natural this unit is and how easy it was to style and how soft the hair is. I love that for me. You guys know I love a good kinky curly girl. You can't go wrong with kinky curly. I love a good kinky curly. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, you guys can see where it comes. Keep in mind I am 5'4", and this is a kinky curly wig, okay? So it does stretch longer than what you guys see right here. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if it's a look, it's a vibe, it's all the things to y'all. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Wigcool, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Misty on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter, X, whatever. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every styles and we